We have a thumbs up from our ref. You know what that means. 3, 2, 1, go!
Away we go. Legend getting on the board. Nice and easy. Picking up artifact from a spike mark, getting there. God Robot getting on the board. They score once, twice, 3 times. Purple, purple, green. Slightly the other way, but all the artifacts are not on. Count. Red scoring again. Weight on our shoulders. And they're going to go. Wait in the blue loading zone. No, they shoot again. They're picking up artifacts. 21227.
Drivers,
and
pick up your controllers.
Trailblazers on this side.
Three,
4 seconds.
2, 1.
Close game so far, 63 to 51, red to blue. Weight on our shoulders. Grabbing artifacts out. Starving red of picking up. Contact by blue and red in the blue loading zone. That's got to count. Got Robot, meanwhile, clearing the red artifact classifier. Picking up the artifacts, coming in to score. 21-227. Scoring. That sounded a little loud on this side, but away we go. Weight on our shoulders. Maneuvering, waiting for a robot to come pick up some artifacts from them. Their human partner waiting eagerly. There they go. 33748's got artifacts under control. They come in, and they are lining up to try score. 16224. Getting a couple of artifacts away from the blue zone opportunistically. Their classifiers filling up. Blue classifier now has got 6. 21227 releases the gate. Very calmly piloting, sticking to strategy. We've got 2 on the job here. Close game still. 136 to 126. Trailblazers and God Robot doing a very good job staying close to their Blue Alliance opponents. Trailblazers coming in to pick up artifacts. Shooting from afar, 2 miss. God Robot scoring again. Legend picking up a couple of artifacts, scoring from the far side of the launch zone. Very nicely done. God Robot, very good accuracy on those last 3. They go right back to pick up those purple artifacts and bring them back. Weight on the shoulders, scoring from the far launch zone very nicely. Well done. And endgame begins. Trailblazers coming back to the end zone. Getting a little contact there between 5037 and 21227. The shots are coming fast and furious as the robots finalize their parking positions. Both blue and the red robots in their base zones.
The Blue Alliance takes match 116. 117 belongs to the Blue Alliance. That's going to move Legend from number 6 to number 5 with 4 ranking points. That means upward motions from those Blue Alliance teams.